If x is positive, is x greater than 3? Not a lot of information in our prompt. Let's look at our statements. Statement 1 says the quantity x minus 1 squared is greater than 4. So remember, we cannot just take the square root of each side here because that would not be taking into account the fact that x minus 1 could be negative. So if we just think about this, what does this mean? This means x minus 1 either must be greater than 2 or x minus 1 must be less than negative 2. So what is this telling me about x, though? So this here is saying x is greater than 3. Okay, that sounds familiar. And this here would be saying, so x is greater than 3 or x is less than negative 1. But don't forget, in our prompt, we are told x must be positive. So this guy here is not possible. So do not overlook this information in the prompt because it is the key, at least to this statement and possibly the question as a whole. So this is actually sufficient because this definitely answers our question. Sufficient to say yes. Statement 2, the quantity x minus 2 squared is greater than 9. So what is this telling me? This means x minus 2 must be greater than 3, or x minus 2 is less than negative 3. So this would mean x is greater than 5, or same thing as before, x is less than negative 1. So same deal. So first of all, if x is greater than 5, it must be greater than 3. So, and then here, this is not possible because x must be positive. So this is still sufficient, and D is the answer. So if you overlook this guy, this is a very hard question. If you don't overlook it, it's not, it's average at most. D.